Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how you can speed up a video in Canva. So here I have an example video in my Canva and I wanted to speed it up, but there is no actual button in Canva wherein you can adjust the speed of your video. Let me show you a workaround how we can do that. So first, from here, click share and then click on download. Make sure your file type is MP4. And then if you have pages, go ahead and click the pages that you want to download. For me, I only have one, so I'll go ahead and click download. Now, while that's downloading, we can go to any browser and type in change video speed online video cutter. So from here, click this first link and you should see this kind of website. So this is a free one where you can upload a video and later on I'll show you how you can edit the speed. Now our download is complete, so let's go ahead and click open file and just upload the video that you got from Canva. And then give it a few minutes to completely upload the video. Alright, so from here you can click on this speed button, and then on this bar you can go ahead and adjust how fast or how slow you want it. You can also have a quick preview on what it looks like once you've adjusted it. The maximum that you can get is 4x the video. So that's what it looks like. Now, once you've chosen the speed that you like for your video, next step would be clicking the save button to save the changes on your video. Go ahead and click that. And then when it's ready, just click save. Now you can go back to your Canva design, just delete the video that you had first, and then just click upload files and just look for the video that we just edited the speed. Now once the upload is complete, you can go ahead and import it to your design and presentation, and you're good to go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.